In this video, I'm going to be making a vegan Philly cheesesteak. The first thing I had to do to make this video was make the vegan steak. You can check out the link below on how you can make your own vegan steak at home. For the steak, you want to make sure that it's a shaved steak so it works better in the hoagie roll. With my vegan steak, I found that cutting it how I did, though it was a little bit thicker than I would want, I felt that it would work out better when it comes to just the integrity of the overall roll. The ingredients you want to have when it comes to Philly cheesesteak is, of course, the steak, some onion, and some provolone cheese. The first thing I'm going to do with the ingredients is just go ahead and prepare the onion. The onion is super simple. We're just going to cut off the membranes. After that is done, go ahead and remove the skin and dice it up into really however you want. I want to have slivers of onion, but just not too long. Next up is just cooking it all off. So we have sauteed onions. I am adding in the shaved steak, mixing that up really well. I am breaking the steak up a little bit more as I mix it. Topping it off with some of that provolone cheese. I did use a vegan provolone cheese, letting that melt over the top so it looks absolutely fantastic. And then it's adding it over a delicious hoagie roll. When it comes to making a cheesesteak, this is fantastic. I think that when it comes to making it vegan, using my filet mignon and shaving that down was the perfect approach because the filet mignon itself was absolutely fantastic. Having the grilled onions and the provolone cheese, it brings the flavors together rather than making so many different flavors that are competing with each other. They all just highlight each other and they accent each other, and it works out to perfection in this. So I'm all about the Philly cheesesteak. So when it comes to my favorite cheesesteak overall, it is this Philly cheesesteak. The others, they were great. They had value in their own sense. But to me, like, when you want a cheesesteak, you want to make sure that you are only having a hoagie or sub roll, whatever you want to call it, right? That has the perfect combination of flavors, and the Philly cheesesteak has that. It's not too much, it's just right. Grilled onions, provolone cheese, and steak. That's the way to do it. The others, in their own measure, they can be great. They can be great as sub rolls. They can be great as something to enjoy when it's cold out and you need something hearty. But like I said, cheesesteak, Philly style, that's where it's at. I got more recipes coming your way real soon because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I will see you again real soon.